Hey, I am back. I have another video. This is from my friends at Craftibly. Yes, Craftibly. It came in this big box. I'm glad I took this out off camera because I struggled with the box. So this is a new canvas. It's called Blue Dusk. It's by Jim Mitchell. Now he is a new licensed artist for them. They are working on getting artists licensed. This is a 60 by 60 square drill. So it's 24 inches by 24 inches. It's brand new, guys. It's gorgeous. I want to get into it so I can show it to you. Yes, we got to see this. All right, here's my good pair of tweezers. They've been throwing those in kind of like at the last minute because they upgraded their tweezers. And I get a note here. This is my bill as well. Says, handwritten, "Hey Mindy, thanks for ordering with us. Enjoy working on Blue Dusk and have a wonderful week." Yay! Handwritten note from them. Oh yes, this is big. It's pretty. I love how they seal up their canvases. They put them in this bag and everything's sealed. Like, see it? Totally sealed up. You got to cut to get into this thing. All right, so cut off the end, and it's a really thick bag too. There is nothing going to happen to this canvas on its way to you from Texas. We have drills, and we have the canvas. Yeah! All right. They've got a really nice canvas, by the way. It feels good. It's got the surged edge. It's very nice. Have Craftibly at the top right there. Yeah. All right. Ooh, look, we can multi-place up here. Ooh, haven't multi-placed in a while with these canvases coming out. Haven't seen any multi-placing. Let's put it that way. Okay. You ready? Oh, look at it. Oh, it's pretty. Got to move these drills out of the way. Here comes our inventory sheet. Look at that house, you guys. Look at it. And there's our toolkit. Here's our inventory sheet. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. There's a bunch of green. Look at all this green. Look at the multi-placing. We can multi-place down here. Yeah, and over here. We're going to get to multi-place a bit in this one. It's got 27 colors. Look at that cottage sitting there. Look at the tree. Oh my goodness, this big tree up here. The blue front door on the cottage. Look at the pretty pink back here in the sky. It's gorgeous. Look, we even have a little water feature here with some swans in the pond. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful. It's poured glue. Love it. So Craftibly is really doing a great job getting new artists, getting new canvases. Their product is great. It's a great canvas. The symbols are great. The poured glue is wonderful. Let's see. Let's get you up close. Let's look at some symbols. Okay, let's look right here in the middle where it's good and confetti. Let's check it out right in here. Here you go. Symbol quality is good. Sun shining in my window up there. That's why you might get a glare sometimes. So their symbols are on both sides of the canvas. Letters, a music note, stars. So nothing here that looks like it could get confusing at all in the symbols. That's awesome. So there's a lot of confetti, but we are going to have some opportunities to multi-place. Look at that thing. It's beautiful, you guys. It's gorgeous. Oh, man. Okay, it's square drill. All right, let's look at their toolkit. Okay, their toolkit has a pair of tweezers. Like I said, they've upgraded the tweezers, and that's why you have the new sharp, pointy ones. I can't get the thing off. The sharp, pointy ones here, that's an upgrade they've put in. Pen, squishy, glue, white tray, and we get a 3-placer in our kit. All right, nice little toolkit, everything you need, and the upgraded tweezers. Yay! All right, I watched the video the other day of somebody placing 2 or 3 square drills at a time with tweezers, and I was like, okay, That's amazing. I don't think I'll ever be that person. Here is the inventory sheet. Look at those symbols, how big those are. Look at those things. They are big. They are easy to read. You have your DMC code, how many you're supposed to have, all that fun stuff. Yep. 4,000 M's. That's a green color. 4,000 T's. I don't know what that is. All right, so let's look real close at the picture. It's got a nice picture here. Look at that. That's what we're getting, guys. The water feature, the flowers. There's actually railing back there by the house, too, like a wrought iron rail. And the swans in the water. Oh, so pretty. I have a couple people, subscribers, have been asking me, did you get that cottage? Did you get the cottage? We want to see the cottage. I got the cottage. Sorry, we got to make a little noise. Make a little noise. Now, I don't know if these are in order. No, they don't appear to be in order. So we can take these out. All right, let's flip it over for a minute. So we have a nice... Look at how perfect that canvas is, you guys. Look at it. There isn't a wrinkle. There isn't a pucker. There's nothing. Some people I've seen are getting Craftibly in a tube. So I don't know what the difference is, why you get the tube. And I mean, mine came packaged nicely in that box, and I'm fine with that. That's perfect. All right, let's see. Brown. A lot of brown. It's going to be a lot of browns and greens. Look at, that's a big old bag of 319 greens. And here's our 310s. Look out. There's a bunch. There's a weight on there as well. So, bunch of green. Like I said, it's a very green picture. Look at these. Look at how many there are. There's a lot of green. So one bag per color, just a bigger bag if you have more. All right. So greens. Let's put greens over there. Okay, I'm going to just pull out the greens because there's so many of them. These are all greens of different shades. A light green, a dark green, kind of a neon-y green, pine green. We'll call this one pine. And this one's really close to that one. So here's our greens, a whole bunch of greens. We got black. We got this big bag of brown. Okay, so we got some other browns. But really, there aren't a ton of browns. There's that brown, and then there's this kind of goldish brown. And then these are like tan, and then they start fading to peach. Look at this. There's a bunch of these, too. That's a really peachy color. Very nice. And then this is kind of a brown here, rust. And then the rest of these, look, this is a big old bag of gray, bunch of gray. All right. And then that's a peach. And then we have some blues and some other blues. And then we get just, look at this. This is neon orange, if I've ever seen a neon orange. Look at that thing. Whew, I don't know where that goes, but that is something. Then we get a little bit of white, different whites. The one white that's like white, and then white with a tinge of blue. So we got those. But there's the colors. I told you, it's green and brown and a little bit of blue. I don't know where this goes. That's interesting. Well, there you go. Great big thing of gray, great big thing of black, this brownish color. It's so pretty, you guys. So pretty, right? Wow. Huh. Okay, so there's the colors. It's gorgeous. All right, I can inventory that real quick. All I actually have to do is count, right? Do I have 27 colors? Sure do. There's 27 of them. There they are. Nice. All right. Let's just kind of dump those off and put them back in the bag, and I'll show you the picture one more time. Let's look at the picture one more time. Where does that, what color is that? Now I'm curious. It is 3341. 3341. It's like the railroad T crossing post or something. Where does that go? All right, well, there's some in here, like right in here, which I think is a light, maybe. There's some in there. Okay. Go. There's not a lot of them, so I think they're just spattered around different places. Yeah, I don't see very many. There's some up here in the chimney area. Yeah, there aren't very many. They're hard to find even. Some in here. Oh, here we go. Ooh, that's gonna be that orange. Holy cow. That's gonna be bright. Oh boy. It's so pretty though. So you guys check out Craftibly. I am an affiliate with Craftibly. You can get a discount at Craftibly, 15% off. It's Mindy 15. Check them out. Keep an eye on them because they have new stuff coming when shipments come. You know how that goes because things are produced in China and they have to wait for them to get here. So they have things coming. So keep watching. Keep your eye open. They're on Instagram as well. You can see them on Instagram. They have a Facebook page. I'll try to remember to link all those things. I love this spot up here. It looks watercolorish over here with all the flowers up in here and the trees. And oh my goodness. Anyhow, keep an eye on them. They're doing great things, you guys. And they make a lovely product. So they're worth the money. You know, they have some big things. This is a 60 by 60, so it's on the larger side. So anyhow, thanks for watching, you guys. Thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe. We made it to 2,000 and Craftibly was so generous to send me an awesome, awesome canvas to give to one lucky person. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to go now because I'm going to ramble. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.